Hi, welcome back to my next Pencast. In this Pencast, I'd like to do a bank reconciliation review with you. This time I'm not going to go through deposits, checks, and cash receipts and cash payments journal to come up with details of differences. I'm just going to give you a list of differences and see where you would put those on a reconciliation. This is similar to a problem on the final and on your exam, so you don't need to be able to come up with the detail, though it is certainly helpful in our last but longer demonstration problem to see how that is. I invite you to press pause after we read each of the 6 lines of instructions and have you put the amount where you think it will go. Are you ready? First, where would you put the cash balance per bank in the bank reconciliation? Go ahead and hit pause now and enter that on your worksheet. Welcome back. You recorded cash per bank balance in the ending bank balance column, hopefully. And that is where I would put it too. Let's move on to number 2. The July bank service charge that's not recorded yet, we just found it on the bank statement, is $28. Please hit pause, put that where you think it belongs, and then resume this Pencast. Excellent. Did you put it where I put it? It's an adjustment to the book balance in the loss column. The next item, number 3, is cash balance per books. Go ahead and hit pause and put that number where you believe it belongs. Return to our discussion when you've made your placement. Excellent. Beginning balance for the bank or the book column. Next item, number 4, a deposit in transit. One that was made on July 31st that hasn't hit the bank records yet. Please hit pause and record that where you think it would go. Welcome back. Did you add your deposit in transit to the bank balance, realizing that in fact it will clear the bank the next day and then show your total adjusted bank balance? This total isn't necessary. The way the homework management system you use is operating, it requires you put it in, so we'll use it in our demonstration. Our next transaction's a little bit harder. You collected a note for $900. You earned interest of $36. You paid fees of $20. If you add all of that up and subtract the fees, you'll see that's a total of $916. Where would you place that on the reconciliation? Please hit pause and make your entry. Add those two together, 8,200. Welcome back. Did you put it in the right place? A note collected by the bank would need to be added to the book balance. Outstanding checks is item number 6. Please hit pause and record that where you would think that would go. The answer then is 8172, and outstanding checks would be deducted from the bank's balance. And where are we on our book balance? $8,200 minus $20 service charge, still in balance, $8,172. Look at that, wahoo! Our checking account balances. Notice that the items in the bank area, again, are timing differences, and they will correct with time. The deposit in transit will be probably reported as the first deposit on our next bank statement, and the outstanding checks will probably clear. If not, they'll be shown until they do. Anything in this area that doesn't clear immediately should be checked upon by you, of course, to make sure that they haven't been lost somewhere. Journal entries need to be made for the book information. These are transactions that the bank has that we don't, so let's record those next. The first transaction is the note collection, and it has several pieces. Put this recording on pause, and let's see how you make that entry. Welcome back. How did you do? Several pieces to this entry. You need to record the entire collection of the note, record the interest, record the bank charge, which your author puts in miscellaneous expense, and pick up the net amount to cash. Good job. Let's move, since that is completed, to the second reconciling item on the book side. Go ahead and make your next journal entry. Welcome back. Did you debit miscellaneous expense and credit cash? Again, miscellaneous expense is what some people use to record bank charges, and that would record a decrease to cash. So, as our last item on this bank reconciliation, please tell me what you think the balance in the checking account per books will be after reconciliation is completed. Let's put this on pause to give you a chance to work. Welcome back. And the answer is 8,172. Agreeing with both our adjusted book balance and our adjusted bank balance. What that's saying is, in fact, 8172 is the correct balance. You've now got a chance to review the detailed bank reconciliation where you prepared numbers and then you did one from summary. Please be prepared to attack one from summary on your upcoming exam and the final. And good luck to you. I hope it goes well.